Welcome to our video. Today, we're diving into ySense, an online community where you can earn cash rewards. ySense offers a variety of ways to make money, including taking surveys, completing tasks, and cash offers. Essentially, it's a platform that connects businesses with potential customers or users. If you're looking to earn a little extra cash, ySense could be a great option for you. Let's delve deeper into the platform to understand its features, pricing, ideal use cases, advantages, and limitations. ySense offers a few key features. First, it provides a variety of surveys and tasks from different companies. This means you have multiple opportunities to earn cash. Second, it offers daily checklist bonuses. If you complete a certain number of tasks in a day, you receive an extra reward. Finally, ySense has a referral program. When someone signs up using your referral link, you earn a percentage of their earnings. These features make ySense a versatile platform for earning extra income. When it comes to pricing, ySense is free to join. There's no membership or subscription fee. However, the actual earnings depend on the tasks you complete. Surveys typically pay between 30 cents and $2, while cash offers can pay more. Your earnings can also be boosted by the daily checklist bonus and referrals. You can cash out your earnings through PayPal, gift cards, or Payoneer once you reach the minimum withdrawal limit. ySense is ideal for anyone looking to earn a bit of extra cash in their spare time. It's perfect if you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or part-time worker with some free time. It's also a good option for people in countries where job opportunities are limited. Remember, it's not a full-time job replacement, but can be a nice supplement to your regular income. ySense is also a useful tool for businesses looking to gather market research data. There are several advantages to using ySense. It's free to join and use and offers a variety of tasks, so there's something for everyone. The site is user-friendly and easy to navigate. Plus, it offers a global platform, so you can earn money no matter where you're located. The referral program is another bonus, allowing you to make passive income. Finally, ySense has a good reputation and is owned by a reputable company, Prodige. Despite its advantages, ySense has some limitations. Earnings are relatively small, and it can take time to accumulate a significant amount. Some users have reported delays in payment and difficulties qualifying for surveys. It's also important to note that ySense is not a viable replacement for a full-time job. It's a way to earn extra cash, but it's not a steady or reliable source of income. Lastly, some tasks may be tedious or time-consuming. In conclusion, ySense is a legitimate platform for earning extra cash. It offers Here are the key takeaways. ySense is a free platform for earning extra cash through surveys, tasks, and offers. It's user-friendly, reputable, and globally accessible. It has a referral program for passive income. However, earnings are modest, and it's not a replacement for a full-time job. Some users report payment delays, and it can be hard to qualify for surveys. It's best used as a supplement to regular income. In the end, ySense is an option worth considering if you're looking to make some extra cash in your free time. It's not going to make you rich, but it can provide a small financial boost. It's important to approach it with realistic expectations and understand its limitations. As always, remember to do your own research and make sure it's the right fit for you. Thank you for watching our video on ySense. We hope it's given you a good understanding of the platform. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one. We appreciate your support.